Bulgarian Air Force pilot Major Valentin Terziv died on June 9 when his MiG-29 fighter jet crashed during a training exercise, the Defense Ministry of Bulgaria confirmed in a statement on June 10. Terziv had been taking part in a night exercise involving shooting at an airborne target. The ministry said that Terziv, 47, had been in military service since August 1998. He graduated from the G.S. Benkovsky Air Force Academy with a specialization as a pilot. He spent his entire service at the Graf Ignatiev Air Force Base, where his last position was as a squadron chief of staff. Terziv, who piloted MiG-21 and MiG-29, was the recipient of numerous awards from the Minister of Defense, Defense Chief, Air Force Commander and the Base Commander, the ministry said. During his service in the Air Force and until his last training flight, Major Terziv performed responsibly and professionally the tasks of protecting the inviolability of the airspace of Bulgaria, the Defense Ministry said, extending its condolences to his relatives and friends. Operations to retrieve remnants of the aircraft and investigations into the crash are continuing. The cause of the crash remains unknown, but has led to several comments about the low number of pilots flying hours. This is far from the first time that the issue has been raised. One prominent example was in October 2015, when the then head of the Bulgarian Air Force, Major General Rumen Radev, resigned from that post, only to be talked out of it the same day by Boyko Borisov, the then Prime Minister. It emerged that Radev had told Borisov of the numerous problems facing the Air Force, which he felt made it impossible to do his job. These problems included the number of operable fighter jets for combat duty, air policing and flight training being woefully inadequate, a shrinking number of trained pilots who, in turn, were flying dangerously little, increasing the risk of serious accidents. Opportunities to train young pilots were decreasing. Thank you everyone for watching this video.